Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Travel with Romeo. In today's vlog, we are exploring Guwahati city, and today with me here Saddam Hussein.
Hi.
And at the back, Frankie Surong. So let's begin the video. We have met another friend. He's my college friend. So we just pick up him from Khanapara.
Hi everyone. Today after a long time we meet Mr. Romeo Silla. So we meet there in Khanapara. We are happy to see him again after a long time. We are going somewhere now. So see you later.
And now we'll move forward. We'll go to have our lunch, all of us. As you can see, now we are moving to this VIP road. So we'll go to a restaurant called Iyuk restaurant. And now we are still on the way. Destination post नहीं होना क्या?
क्या?
Yeah.
Post नहीं
Okay.
होना
No way. ना क्या?
You business kitchen.
Yeah. So
Your
guys,
destination is on the
I think we have reached to the place. So we'll just go and check. So now we'll park our car. Then we'll enter to the restaurant and we'll show you when we go inside. So guys, we've reached the location. This is our car. We parked it here. Now we'll be going inside the restaurant. We'll show you. Hello. So as you can see this menu, so all these guys are looking at the menu and will order their food. So stay tuned, we'll be back when the food is here.
हरा दिया वो खरीदा है
जमीन है मतलब पूरा खरीदा है बना लिया भरा दे दिया Alright, so here is the food. It looks great. And there is Romeo enjoying his drinks. And here our Saddam bhai.
Hello.
As you can see, this our food is ready. So here is the mutton and chicken, mutton curry and chicken curry. So you just have it now. Manager will give you the details of the restaurant and he will explain you everything.
Hello sir.
तो आप कुछ बोलो आप लोग का रेस्टोरेंट के बारे में इधर देखो
हमारा रेस्टोरेंट तो मेनली एथनिक फूड है, एथनिक खाना प्रोवाइड करते हैं। तो एथनिक में चिकन, दाल, मटन, पोर्क ये सब ज़्यादा चलते हैं। स्मोक पोर्क जो है बहुत अच्छा है, बेम्बू सूप के साथ।
ओके ठीक है थैंक यू सो भाई हाउ इज द फूड
Delicious. It's delicious. You can say.
But Romeo, very delicious. So I would like to highly recommend you to visit this place whenever you come to Guwahati. You can come and visit here and have your lunch or dinner. Thank you. We have finished our lunch, and now we'll go to the Brahmaputra river bank. We'll try to explore there and we'll show you. Please stay tuned. अभी हम लोग जा रहा है अभी ब्रह्मपुत्र।
अरे वन वे को 2 वे कर दिया ये।
यार
यहाँ से निकलेगा तो ब्रह्मपुत्र निकलेगा ना?
डायरेक्ट पहुंच जाएगा वहाँ से।
वहाँ से घूम के आने से आपका पल्लम बाजार पहुँच जाएगा शायद।
यहाँ से
ऐसे घूमने से
नहीं, यहाँ से हम लोग क्या जगह पहुँचता है? खारकुली होके जाएगा।
अच्छा खारकुली
होके जाएगा।
So as you can see guys, today the weather is very pleasant here in Guwahati.
खारकुली से ये
Because
आपका
all this week it was raining.
यही से बैग आएगा ना?
As after a long time, I met my college friend, Jan Medok. He's originally from Demaji district. What's your place name? Jonai, right?
जोना
Jonai. I think almost
500 kilometers from here.
500 kilometers from Guwahati. And it's almost 10 or 15 years we didn't met, right?
Yes.
After a long time we met. So I'm very glad to see him again. Guys, now we are here in Kharguli area. So almost to approach to the river Brahmaputra. After we reach there, and we are planning to
टूरिस्ट ज़्यादा है मतलब ना यहाँ में।
take a ropeway and cross the river. You can see the river Brahmaputra on the side as well. The place is very beautiful. So good view from here.
पूरा साइड
Brahmaputra is looking very big now. The river is rising up. बहुत बड़ा हो गया ना पानी। अरे यार इतना तक कहाँ तक पहुँच जाएगा तो?
पहले तो बालू दिखता है बीच में।
Well, we are now almost here in this place in the river Brahmaputra bank, and we are looking for the ropeway. Take a ropeway and cross to the other side of the river. So guys, now we are almost finally here, and we'll look for parking and we'll take you there. We are here in the parking area, so we'll park our car, and you can see that river Brahmaputra, and this is the ropeway station, and this is the tower of the ropeway, you can see up there. So we are planning now to take a ropeway and cross to the other side of the river. So guys, now we are starting our boarding. I've never had experience in ropeways before. This is my first time. So I'll show you guys, and I'll tell you how it feels, the experience. Lots of people are taking their boarding. So now we'll show you when the ropeway is open. We'll try to cross to the opposite side of the river Brahmaputra. So guys, stay tuned. We'll show you when we go. So guys, now it's time to go. We have closed the gate, and now we'll move. As you can see, this ropeway is moving a little bit faster. You see this? Oh my God! ये तो पूरा एरोप्लेन जैसा है ना। I don't know how long it will take to cross this river. So let's see. Guys, here we are. Now we reach the middle of the river, and you can see this island down there. It's a small island and we will cross this. You can see the houseboat. You can see the sign Guwahati Guys, this is the river You can see from the near distance. You can see the crane is flying down there. I'm sorry guys for the noise. We'll come back again because it's a two-way trip. So reach there, we'll just explore the place and we'll come back again by the same way. So, guys, now we have down here and we'll try to explore this place for half an hour, something like that. Then we'll go back again. It was a very fantastic journey on the roadway. It was my fourth time, I think. Frankie, yours is
First time.
first time.
Yes.
I don't know about these two guys, how many times they have traveled on the roadway. But for me, it's already fourth time, and for Frankie is
First time.
first time. So let's go down and see what is there, and we'll update you guys. Here we are, and we are trying to walk through this garden. You can see from here this river Brahmaputra. I would like to request you not to mind for the noise that has inside the roadway because lots of people. Here we are in the downside, so we are exploring, and from here you can see that roadway is going there, and that ferry. You can see the ferry is carrying lots of passengers. You can see here Salam and Frankie, they are speaking to each other. This is a passenger ferry, right? Yeah, I think it's a passenger ferry. So guys, I'll just take you a look. You can see these shops over here, these stalls and foods. And this way is to the mandir, I think. How was your experience?
Nothing.
You're enjoying?
Just enjoying. Just
What about you?
It's good.
और आपका कैसा? मजा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा.
बहुत अच्छा है ना?
चलने का था, चल लिया.
अभी वो देखा है ना, वो जो आ रहा है रोपवे, अभी हम लोग वापस जा रहा है वो.
वही में सवार है हम लोग अभी.
हाँ. ये बोट लेके जा रहा है ना, क्या है ये यार?
कौन सा?
पूरा जबरा वबरा लेके जा रहा है पानी ना. Guys, finally we have come to the conclusion of this video. So I think you have enjoyed the video. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more videos like this for you guys in future. Anyway, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.